So this is a free tool that will allow you to remove background from any image. So this is a free tool called Photopea or Photopea. Basically, it's kind of a free version of Photoshop. So you just need to go to File, click Open, and open your image. Okay. After that, what you have to do is uh, you can work on this background layer, the same layer, but I think it's better to work on duplicate layer. So right click on this layer and choose duplicate layer, and then now go to select, press remove BG. Okay, so it's gonna do its job, but it's not perfect right now. Okay, it's like this. So you go to select and click on remove BG once again. Now it asks you to either pay $5 a month or watch a short ad. So we're gonna watch a short ad. Click OK. It's gonna show you an ad for 30 seconds. So now that the ad is done, just click on close. It's gonna work. Just a few seconds. And then it's done. If you click on this background here you can see the background is removed. Now what you can do is either you can crop this image if you need a specific size, or you just leave it like this and then go to File, go to Export As, and choose PNG. That's gonna maintain the transparency of the background, and the background is already removed. So this is how you can remove background from your image easily for free. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to sign up, log in, anything. It's free tool. Just go to photopea.com or photopea.com, whatever it is, and remove the background from your image.